You know how you can tell when someone is highly emotional just from the sound of their voice? Well, the same is true of other animals. Listen to this woman talking to the news about her missing daughter.
Would you please bring my baby back? Please.
If we analyze the acoustic properties of her voice, we see that the fundamental frequency of her voice is elevated and more variable, and there's a lower harmonics to noise ratio relative to speech in a more neutral context. And what's wild is, when we look at the voice of a mother cow calling in a very similar context, we see the exact same changes in her voice. Just like all mammals, cows only produce milk when they've recently given birth, so farmers impregnate them every year and then immediately take the baby away so more milk will be available to sell. And also like other mammals, cows form a strong emotional bond with their infant, so this separation is extremely painful for them. When we analyze the acoustic properties of this distressed mother cow's voice, we see the exact same changes that we saw with the human mother: increased fundamental frequency, more variable fundamental frequency, and decreased harmonics to noise ratio relative to a cow calling in a more neutral context. The reason that emotion is encoded in the voice in very similar ways across humans and other mammals is because we have very similar physiological reactions to different emotional contexts, and this modifies the properties of our vocal cords in a predictable manner. To hear the full story about how scientists can measure emotion in the voice, check out the longer video linked below. Follow for more content about animal intelligence and emotions.